So the topic for today is course structure of subject cloud computing for business. The subject code is KMBIT-03. Okay, so as per the course objectives, to impart knowledge about cloud computing and its applications in business and understanding the importance of information management for our business organization. As you see that nowadays most of us are working in cloud environment. Okay, so to impart the knowledge about cloud computing and its application in current scenario means business and as well as in other industry sector also, so that will be discussed by this subject. Okay, so and understanding the importance of information management, basically most of the ERP modules and most of the information systems are now cloud enabled. Okay, as per the need of business organization. So that's why we will get a better understanding about the recent changes in types of information system that are cloud enabled nowadays. Okay, so that is basically the course objective, to impart knowledge about cloud computing and its applications and its uses in information system for our business organization. Okay, so in unit 1 we will discuss about unit 1 is introductory unit. So it will discuss about what is cloud computing, introduction and evolution, and cloud market. Okay, so how cloud market is evolving day by day, तो इसके बारे में हम इसमें देखेंगे. Next is technological influence for cloud computing, like universal connectivity is there, access capacity. Okay, universal connectivity is what means you can access your data from anywhere. So that is what universal connectivity. Access capacity is there means you can scale up and scale down your means network requirement or your database requirement. You can opt for a better storage. Okay, so that is basically the access capacity means scaling is possible over there. Next is open source software. So uses of nowadays a lot many generic as well as specialized softwares, open source softwares are there to access by different persons. Okay, so that is basically the technological influence of cloud computing. So that will be discussed in this unit 1. Another topic is technology and service model for cloud computing. Like we will discuss about infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service in this unit. In this section means basically technology and service models for cloud computing. Okay. Next is unit second. So unit second is a step further towards better understanding about the cloud environment. Okay, so you have gone through these three parts, means basic introduction of cloud computing, technological influence of cloud computing, and technology and various service models that are existed in cloud computing. After that, we will discuss about this cloud deployment models. Okay, like most of the companies are deploying cloud or adopting cloud nowadays. So what are the mechanism by which they are adopting this cloud environment? So there are certain mechanism, like public environment is there, public cloud is there, like we are using WhatsApp, Facebook. So these all are work under this public cloud. Okay, next is community cloud is there, private and hybrid model is there, approaches for migrating to cloud means how to migrate, how to switch to the cloud application. Okay, so that we will discuss in this unit. Next is information assurance and data protection. So what is that? Phases in information lifecycle and key challenges in data lifecycle security. Okay, so we will discuss what is information lifecycle, basically how to process data into information. So what is information lifecycle and key challenges associated with this data lifecycle security. Okay, so that will be discussed in this unit number second. Another important part that we will discuss in this unit is data center, means basic concept about data center concepts, its operations, data center security recommendations, that we will discuss in this unit number second, means basic introduction towards this data center. Okay, Next is unit third. What is unit third? Basically, it is talking about what are the risks associated with this cloud environment and how to mitigate these risks. Okay, various risk scenario are there. So, how to mitigate? How to make a strategy to mitigate such type of risk that we will discuss in this unit. That is unit number third of enterprise risk management. Okay, so we will discuss in this unit about information security governance processes, enterprise risk management in cloud computing, and enterprise risk management recommendations. Okay, means how to access risk environment and how to prepare mitigation strategy towards these risk and towards this risk environment. Okay, so we will discuss in this unit. Next is this unit number 4. This will talk about security and virtualization. Security about cloud security basically, as well as virtualization. How cloud facilitate virtual environment. Okay, so that will be discussed in unit number 4. So what is security part? Cyber threats in cloud computing will be discussed. Application server web application will be discussed. Attack methods, various attack methods are there. Okay, so what are those methods that will be that we will discuss in this unit. After that, web application security and application security layer and security solutions will be discussed in this unit. Means we will cover all the security related dimensions of cloud computing. Okay, next is virtualization, means how cloud computing facilitates virtualization, that we will discuss in this unit. So that is what hardware virtualization is there, software virtualization is there nowadays, memory virtualization is also there, like we store in a remote location, so that is memory virtualization. We don't have memory element right now with us. We generally most of the companies are offering cloud based memory. Okay, cloud based storage. So storage virtualization is also there, data virtualization is there, network virtualization is there, and virtualization security recommendations are also there. Okay, so that we will discuss in this unit, that is virtualization. Okay, so this is unit number 4. And next unit number 5th, it consists all means future prospects, all current scenario, what is the difference between traditional versus cloud, so that we will discuss. Means basically cloud computing for business, so role of cloud computing for business, that we will discuss in this unit. So we will discuss about organizational readiness for cloud, means how much you are prepared and how to check your preparedness towards cloud. Okay, next is business advantages of cloud computing. What are the various business advantages that force you to adopt this cloud environment? Okay, next is traditional versus cloud based business solutions, means what are the basic difference between traditional business solutions as well as cloud based business solutions. Okay, next is designing cloud-based business solutions. How to design various cloud-based business solutions, and what are the various means cloud vendors are there. Business models for engaging cloud vendors, means what are the points that a cloud vendor should consider while dealing with the clients. Okay, so that will be discussed in this unit. And after that, issues and challenges in cloud-based business model. So this is in totality the syllabus of this subject as per recommended as per the AKTU. Okay, so this is overview of syllabus. So if you see about the syllabus, so it talk about all the dimensions of it, touched about all the basic understanding about cloud environment. Okay, so that you will cover in this through this subject. Okay, so what are the course outcomes? These are some course outcome listed in AKTU syllabus, like CO1 course of outcome 1 is understanding the technologies in cloud computing, like how cloud is much more important nowadays, and how to adopt cloud basically. Okay, what are the mechanisms? So that CEO will contribute, that is here it is written that Bloom's taxonomy have defined 6 outcomes of learning. So what are the outcomes that you will get through this part? That is basically remember and understand, means K1 and K2 will met. over there with this CO. Okay, next course outcome is knowledge about services of cloud computing, like cloud deployment model are there, and what are the services and offerings through cloud computing in business scenarios. So that we will discuss in this part. So basically, through this CO, we will get the outcome like remember and understand as per Bloom's taxonomy. Okay, CO3, interpreting the business values of cloud computing. What are various business values that you can be delivered through this adopting this cloud computing? So by this course outcome, we will get this K2 means understand, K3 means apply, and K4 means analyze. Okay. Next is CO4 means knowledge about security in cloud computing. So as you see that in unit number 4, we have discussed, we will discuss about the security aspects of cloud computing as well as virtualization. So by this outcome, we will attain this K1 remember and K2 understand. Okay, similarly, fifth is knowledge about virtualization. So what is the outcome of this knowledge about virtualization? We will remember and understand. So this is all about the course outcome. So basically, if you see about the outcome as per the Bloom's taxonomy, this subject offers you basic introduction about cloud environment, cloud market, cloud vendors, as well as various security aspects, virtualization, and means all basic introduction covers through this subject. Okay, so that is basically course outcome of this subject. Next is suggested reading. So here are some good books. Five books are recommended through this in this AKTU syllabus. Okay, like and one book is also Kindle edition, so that you may refer. So these are some good books that you may refer for further study about this topic, cloud computing for business. Okay, so this is all about the course structure of this subjects. Okay.